So from the shed then, Alex, they've also got, is it an L-shaped annex?
Yeah, so there's the shed.
The shed.
Now we'll walk round. They want a nice shed to match their nice L-shaped studio. So walk this way, they say.
Yeah, well, if we go right to the end of the garden, we'll get a better view of how it looks. That's stunning, isn't it?
It's so lovely, isn't it? And what they've done with it is just incredible.
Sure. Have a look inside.
So it's slightly different from a lot of the studios that we do, because normally we would have the bedroom here,
right,
and the lounge here. As you can see, and they want it as a guest room for their boys and for parents who live abroad. So when they come home, they've got a nice bedroom, as you can see.
And they've got the TV over here.
So they've got a nice bedroom, and they've got this nice little, I like this nice little eating area.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Obviously our bathroom that we've fitted in hundreds of.
Is there a light? Can you put the light on? I'll have a quick look at it. Quick pan round. It's reminds me of Disney.
The kitchen, I love this room, and we've gone a bit longer on this room because they, I think they inherited this couch, and I'd love to inherit this couch. It's amazing.
Oh wow, look at that. Wow.
So this is going to be like a cinema room, so it's going to put a projector up here, and then a full screen that's going to come down here, which we've discussed. So then him and his family can come in here, and it's like a cinema room. So it fills a few purposes. It's going to be a cinema room, it's a guest room for his mum and dad when they visit, and it's a guest room for his boys when they visit. And I think it's a room as well for them to come and work in, because they both work from home. Right.
Yeah, oh, that's stunning. That's lovely. Thank you very much for that. What do you know what size this is off the top of your head?
This is 20 foot, this room, and that room's 12, so the total length is 32 foot. Ordinarily we do a 12 on a 12, but you can have 20 foot on a 12.
So is it a 32 by 8 with a
12 by 8 attached
added on?
And of course then they've got the decking and the flyover.
Yeah, the decking, which all makes it look lovely. Fantastic. Thank you very much for that.